This is LVKS Bhaskar, Professor of Zoology. In this video I am going to explain about the concepts of aquaculture. Aquaculture, often called underwater agriculture, is transforming our approach to food production. As wild fish stocks dwindle, aquaculture is stepping up to fill the gap. In 2008, China dominated this field, producing a staggering 32.7 million tons, accounting for 62% of global output. But India, with its rich maritime heritage, is also a key player. Home to over 10% of the world's fish biodiversity, India has immense potential. Yet, the production gap between India and China is significant. By harnessing our diverse marine resources more effectively, we can boost Indian aquaculture and contribute to global food security. Imagine the possibilities of sustainable seafood right from our own waters. Aquaculture is revolutionizing our food systems, providing a vital source of high-quality protein and healthy oils. As the demand for fish continues to rise, aquaculture stands out as the future of sustainable fish production. It allows us to produce fish at a lower cost, making it accessible to everyone, including those in underserved communities. Unlike wild-caught fish, cultured fish are raised in controlled environments, ensuring they are free from pollutants and safer for consumption. This method not only meets the nutritional needs of our growing population but also creates numerous job opportunities in the process. Embracing aquaculture is not just about feeding the world, it's about doing so in a responsible and sustainable way. Aquaculture, while promising, carries significant disadvantages. The infrastructure needed for fish farming disrupts local ecosystems, particularly wetlands and mangroves, which are vital for biodiversity. Then there's the issue of untreated effluent. When heavy organic waste is discharged, it can wreak havoc on the surrounding environment, leading to water quality degradation. Moreover, farming exotic species introduces new pathogens that can threaten native wildlife. This isn't just a theoretical risk. Disease and parasites can easily transfer from captive stocks to wild populations, causing irreversible damage. The delicate balance of our ecosystems is at stake, and we must consider these impacts seriously as we pursue aquaculture. Aquaculture practices are fascinating and diverse, classified mainly by salinity. Freshwater farming thrives in zero-saline environments, where species like catla, rohu, and freshwater prawns flourish. Then we have brackish water farming, a blend of seawater and freshwater, typically found in estuaries and mangroves. This environment supports over 25 commercially important species, including various fishes, shrimps, and crabs. Finally, there's marine water farming, or mariculture, where aquatic life is cultivated in the open sea. Here, we rear valuable fishes and shellfish in cages, tapping into the vast resources of our oceans. Each method showcases the adaptability and potential of aquaculture to meet our growing food demands. Aquaculture can be classified based on input intensity and stocking density into three distinct systems. First, we have extensive fish farming, the least managed approach. Here, large ponds of 1 to 5 hectares are stocked with fewer than 5,000 fish per hectare. With no supplemental feeding or fertilization, fish rely solely on natural food sources, resulting in low yields of 500 to 2 tons per hectare and minimal income. Next is the semi-intensive system, which is more common. It utilizes smaller ponds, around 0.5 to 1 hectare, with a higher stocking density of 10,000 to 15,000 fish per hectare. This method incorporates some fertilization and occasional supplemental feeding, leading to moderate yields of 3 to 10 tons per hectare and improved survival rates. Finally, we have the intensive fish farming system, the most managed and productive. Here, small ponds or tanks are stocked densely, with 10 to 50 fish per cubic meter. Fish are fed formulated diets, and water quality is meticulously controlled. This system can yield an impressive 15 to over 100 tons per hectare, making it a high investment but highly profitable venture. Each system has its place, catering to different goals and resources in aquaculture. Monoculture and polyculture are two fascinating approaches in aquaculture. In monoculture, we focus on rearing a single fish species, like trout or tilapia, in a controlled environment. This method is all about maximizing production of high-value fish, but it requires careful management and supplementary feeding to thrive. On the other hand, polyculture takes a different route. Here, we cultivate multiple species together, such as fish alongside shrimp or prawns. This system is designed to minimize competition for food and space, allowing different species with varying habitats to coexist harmoniously. Interestingly, polyculture often yields better results than monoculture, especially in freshwater carp farming. By understanding these systems, we can optimize fish production and contribute to sustainable aquaculture practices. In the fascinating world of polyculture, we see a harmonious blend of fish species like catla, rowo, rigel, silver carp, grass carp, and common carp. This system, often referred to as composite fish culture, thrives on the unique biological traits of each species. Imagine a pond where each fish plays its part. Catla and rowo feast on the surface, while rigel and carp explore the depths. The beauty of polyculture lies in their diverse feeding habits and behaviors. They occupy different layers of the water column, ensuring that resources are utilized efficiently. This synergy not only promotes healthy growth but also ensures that all species reach marketable size simultaneously. Plus, with their non-predatory nature, they coexist peacefully, creating a balanced ecosystem. This is nature's way of maximizing productivity while minimizing competition, showcasing the brilliance of biological diversity in aquaculture. Pond culture is the most common method of aquaculture, where water is contained in an enclosed area created by dikes or bunds. This allows aquatic animals to thrive in a controlled environment. Ponds vary greatly in shape, size, and water quality, often filled by rain or canal water. On the other hand, cage culture takes fish from juvenile stages to market size in floating enclosures. This method is perfect for lakes and rivers that can't be drained, making it a versatile option. Countries like Japan, China, and the USA have embraced cage culture, cultivating species like tilapia and trout. Cage culture offers several advantages. It utilizes existing water bodies, is cost-effective, and simplifies stock management. However, it does come with challenges, such as vulnerability to water quality issues and predators. Growth rates can also fluctuate with temperature changes. Understanding these methods is crucial for sustainable aquaculture practices.